Hello and welcome to Method Schools. Today we're going to review some general information to help you get started on the path to a successful summer school session. The first question students ask is, when does summer school start and when will it be finished? Summer school classes begin on June 25th, 2018, and all coursework must be completed no later than August 10th, 2018. In order to successfully complete summer school classes, students must have access to a computer or laptop with 24/7 internet access, as well as a webcam or camera-equipped computer. Additionally, students will need plenty of time to complete assigned work. On average, students are expected to work 3 hours per day per course attempted in order to stay on track. And lastly, students must have a strong desire to work hard and successfully complete coursework on time. Again, students are expected to work Monday through Friday for a minimum of 3 hours per class. Absences are not tolerated, and students will be expected to make them up should they occur. Any student with 3 consecutive absences will be dropped on their 4th. Additionally, any student with multiple non-consecutive absences may be dropped as well. In addition to everyday work, some classes also include instructional session requirements. Students must log in at the scheduled times for these meetings and must participate in lessons led by their course instructor. These lessons are mandatory, and attendance is calculated into the student's final grade. Lastly, all students must attend proctored final exams after completing any course. These proctored exams are online and take place in a virtual classroom setting. Additional details will be made available as final exam dates get closer. Summer classes move very quickly. Students have 3 weeks to complete a course. So how do you keep from falling behind? It's simple. Work every day and never give up. This means if you discover any problems of any sort, you must immediately ask for help. Keep moving and stay on track. In our next video, we'll introduce you to our SmartFox learning platform. You will learn how to log into your coursework, how to navigate your courses, how to take notes online, as well as how to study and test in SmartFox.